Hey, I'm going to show you how to use brackets and where to download it. So if you look here, real quick, if you look real quick to my desktop, here's brackets. You can see I have some code here, and this is what you call an integrated development environment or an IDE. So this is what we'll be using instead of a text editor. And you can see that there's color coding, so that's a nice feature to help you here. And there's line numbering as well, so you can see what code belongs in each line. So it has some very nice features. So this is where you can find it. If you go to brackets, go to brackets.io, and here it is right here, and you see a button that says download brackets. This is free, it's from Adobe, it's part of the Creative Cloud. Well, kind of. If you have the Creative Cloud, you're not going to have brackets. You'll have to actually download it separately, but it is free. So go here, download it, and then once you download it and open it for the first time, you're going to see a getting started window with code already there. So you'll actually see something that says getting started. If you want to see what this is, the way that brackets will let you view your web page as you design it, if you look to the upper right-hand corner, there's a little lightning bolt icon. Click on that. You may have to click it twice. And then it will open up and you will see the website that code is being used. The website that is the result of the code that you see in brackets. So there's the code. What I'd like to do when I work in brackets, I'd like to have my website that I'm developing on the one side and brackets on the other side so I can see changes as I go forward. Now, if you want to create a new document, just go to File, make sure I'm in brackets, go to File, go to New. And what's important here is once you create that new document, it's called Untitled. And the thing about Untitled, if I start creating code, you'll see that there's no color coding. So to get the color coding features and all those nice little additional features that the brackets IDE offers you, what you have to do is save this as an HTML file. So what I do is I will immediately go to Save As and find a place to save this. And one thing I like to do too, every time I create a file, I like to create a new folder for that project. I'll call this one brackets example. And then I will save the file. And this is important as well. Save your files as index.html. And then I'm going to hit save. And now you see I do have the color coding. These P's are blue. If I, let's say, begin to create my website here, the other nice feature about brackets is when I create a tag and I close that tag with a greater than symbol, it creates the end tag for me. So there I created an HTML tag. Here I'll create a head tag. Then I'll create a body tag. And then here I will create an H1 tag, and you see when I add that greater than symbol to finish the tag, it closes the tag for me automatically. And then I will add a P tag as well. But you can cut and paste your boilerplate code in here too and use that as a way to get started. And then once it's all set, hit save, and then go back up to this little symbol here, double click on that, wait for the web page to open, and you see here, there's my web page. And then if I change something, hit save, it automatically updates. So that's a nice additional feature. As long as that lightning bolt is yellow, that means this ability to automatically update is turned on, and the little dot means that I didn't save anything yet. So once I add something new to brackets, a new tag with some information in there, and hit save again, Command S or Control S on Windows, it updates the web page automatically. So this is what you can use going forth. If you are used to using IDEs, you can use the IDE that you prefer. But if you're new, brackets is a great IDE to get started, and it will help you out. And the key to using brackets is if you are working on something, let's say, and there's an obvious mistake, it will appear as in red. So mistakes are red, and that's a good indication that you made a mistake somewhere, and then you can easily find your mistakes and fix them. So for instance, this closing p tag does not have the greater than symbol, so the other tags appear red. So that's a clear indication that there's something wrong with that p tag. So go ahead and download brackets, and you're good to go.